Hi! In front of me is ALCATEL 3T 10 4G, and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen on this device. First of all, select one of your apps that you used to use in split screen view, in my case Chrome. Then click on this button with 3 lines and click on this icon next to padlock at the top right corner of your app. After that, select the other one. I will go with YouTube. Now as you can see, I can use both at the same time. If you were to go back from this mode, you can always do that by dragging one of your apps to the side and clicking on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!